Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Samsung affiliate program, how you can sign up for this affiliate program, and some of the methods you can use to promote this affiliate program. Just right off the bat, it's not easy to promote this affiliate program, but at the same time, it comes down to be like more familiar. Like it's more familiar to a person because this brand is really famous, it's recognizable. So for the person that you're talking about a product, so he's gonna have an easy time recognizing the product. That's what I'm trying to point out. So people are more familiar with Samsung, but now to get that out of the way, now let's talk about Samsung. Samsung is a famous company. They have a lot of products, so many products, in fact. So that's cool. That helps a lot. But now to join the product, you have to head over to Awin, and Awin is a really cool affiliate marketing network. Think of it as a matchmaker between brands like Samsung and other people or groups who want to promote those brands' products. Now, we're the folks looking to be affiliates, which means we want to promote Samsung stuff and earn commission for it, right? So, all right, and if you promote Samsung stuff, their phones, their products, you can earn a commission for it. But here's the deal: to get in on the Samsung affiliates program, we have to go through a win. So Samsung has chosen a win to handle their affiliate program. So that's the path we have to take. So here we have to click on this, and here we have a win advanced, a win access. So there's some options here, but we can click on sign up here. All right, and here you have to enter your company name, your tax residence, first name, last name, email, confirm email, password, and confirm password. That's what you have to do first. And now we have to go through this entire process. The process is not really that simple. You have to really be more concise and detail exactly what you're doing, exactly your social media, your platform, how you're planning to promote their any product, basically how you're planning to promote a product through your social media, through your website. So you have to specify that. And now here you have cashback. These are websites where members can earn money when they shop online. Do you also have here this option? Make sure you also here you select your primary region, and then you have promotional type, how you're planning to promote um, any brand pretty much. So communities, user generated content. These are websites. Websites are like online places where people chat and share stuff. They might also include links to promote if it's relevant. Comparison engine, this one is like a shopping way, helps you compare prices and features of products. Content creators, influencers, these are bloggers and social media folks who share their opinions and thoughts on stuff. And sometimes they include links to promote products they like. Discount code, this one is like a place of discounts, coupon codes, um, additional content, editorial content. Sorry, think of these are websites that write articles and stories about specific topics. They might include links to things they talk about. Lead generation. This website help companies find potential customers by getting people interested in their products. Loyalty, here members earn things like points or miles when they shop online. Media content, these are places for videos, music, and pictures. Shopping directories like online yellow pages for businesses. They list info about lots of different advertisers, virtual incentives. These are websites to get you to check out specific offers from advertiser by giving you rewards in online games. Now here we have display. Here we have ad networks, and these are publishers who buy ads. And I'm telling you this so then you can select which option fits the best your way of promoting any brand. So if you have a YouTube channel and you obviously you're a content creator, you can go with media content or content creators, actually content creators, sorry, not media. Content creators and set as primary promotional type. And here, social traffic you can go with, but I'm explaining you so you can understand exactly what they're talking about, what they're referring to, what they're trying to get to. So this publisher for contextual targeting, this publisher makes sure that the ads you see are relevant to the content you're looking at. So if you're reading an article about travel, you'll see travel related ads. Direct traffic, these are publishers who share direct publishers who show ad directly to their audience. This can include banners and things like that, ads when you're leaving a website. So also media brokers. This is media brokers buy opportunities to show ads like pop-ups. Mobile traffic publishers in this category focus on displaying ads on mobile devices. Retargeting, have you ever noticed that after visiting a website, you start seeing ads for that same website on other website you visit? So that's what this is about, retargeting. They show personalized ads to people who've shown interest in a particular website or product. Now, social traffic sub-network are like a group of publishers who are bought together by their third parties. They work as one big publisher, sharing resources and advertising opportunities. Now for email, here lead generation email, newsletter, and retargeting. You can go with, in here I'll go with social traffic. You can also select another option here, media brokers, or just something that you want. And here research, comparison shopping, direct linking, and also make sure you select here search, and you can go with mobile search or social search. And here also select primarily country and click on next. And here promotional space URL, here enter your website. As you can see, your website must be live, publicly accessible, and help us proceed your application faster. We recommend adding a win to the source code of your website or the bio of your social media page so we can confirm that you're the owner of that promotional space. So that's pretty important. Make sure you add in the source code of your website or the bio of your social media a win, and entered here the link website. If you have a YouTube channel, you can enter in the description of your video. You can write a win, and here tell advertiser what you do. This will appear on your profile. Would amend this after completing registration. So just tell advertiser what you do here. And here we have sectors and retailer, and just select in which category your website fits, in which category your website will be. So make sure you specify this. And now the next step is verification, and there what you have to do there. The next step here, you have to select country again, flat, building number, street name, city, town, state, postcode, telephone number, verification method. Here you have to verify your account, so they verify that you're not like a robot or something. So here with online payment, you can tick this box and then complete all of this, and then you have to they will send you a code you'll see, and it's really easy to verify your account. Right, but now how do we promote this affiliate program? So some methods you can utilize to promote this affiliate program. You can use a website, but a better option is actually to use a YouTube channel. So if you start a YouTube channel and then you do reviews of different products, different Samsung products. So you can see there's so many products available here: mobile, smartphones, But this smartphones category is competitive, so it's gonna take time. You need good quality, good content to create reviews of products. You need to have the product and test the product, and then just share your thoughts. So just so you know, it takes time, and you need a lot of discipline to build this sort of YouTube channel. So here, let's say we have this, and now if you're searching this on this phone on YouTube, you can see there's a lot of reviews, and they only have, it's not really about the quality of the video, but which is good as well. It's good to have quality, and that's good as well. But what I'm saying, what I'm trying to point out here, what I'm trying to um, get to is that it's not only about quality. So let's say if you don't have money to invest in a good camera, in a really best editing to also do, edit your videos, you can also just talk about the products. If you just bought the product, if you bought Samsung Galaxy S as Flip 5, whatever, what I believe will really matter, will really count, will really, help the viewer that is looking to buy this product is if you're just reviewing the product, just record the phone and just share with your audience, with your viewers, what are the pros, the cons, just share your experience using the product. And this will just help a lot the viewer, all right? That's something you can do and start a YouTube channel like this. Maybe you have like a store and you already have a lot of phones available. That's a great option. There's tons of YouTube channel doing this. They have just and they're doing also reviews, or you can also compare this phone with other phones. So you can leave their affiliate link in the description of that video, and you can just review this phone, compare. You can also do top best Samsung products. You can also create maybe tutorials on different products. So there's a lot of potential. And obviously Samsung has so many other products as well. They also sell watches, so you can simply do a review of this product as well. But as I said, it takes time and it's not easy to build this sort of YouTube channel because obviously you can also make money with AdSense. If you reach 1K subscribers and 4K watch time, you can also make money with AdSense. But to get to that point, to that level, it just takes time. You need a lot of work. There's a lot of work involved. We have to remember this. It's not that easy to promote Samsung affiliate program. Now you can also start with the website and apply the same strategy, do reviews, compare products. But just remember, do more research, do a lot of research actually before starting, so you can understand exactly what you're getting into, so you can really understand the entire business. So that's pretty much it. I really hope you found my video helpful. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.